Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about using a mobile hotspot on your Android device. So you want to turn that on. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the settings menu and you want to select the network and internet button. You want to select hotspot and tethering. And then if you want to enable the hotspot, just go ahead and toggle that to the on position for the Wi-Fi hotspot, and then click the back arrow and then select internet. Make sure there is a Wi-Fi connection listed in here. So it's just taking a moment to load, but make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and that you have devices connected to it. And then you should be able to turn on and access the mobile hotspot on your Android phone. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.